to start at the top. You are the God of hope. You are the God of justice. You are the God of healing, the only God who hears. You are the God of hope. You are the God of justice. You are the God of healing, the only God who hears. And oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. For the Lord will breathe new life into this land as we worship Him and take our righteous stand. And the Lord will rise with healing in His wings. Oh, to the God of restoration we now sing. For the Lord will breathe new life into this land as we worship Him and take our righteous stand. And the Lord will rise with healing in His wings. To the God of restoration we now sing. To the God of restoration we now sing. To the God of restoration we now sing. A few weeks ago, I woke up with a dream, from having a dream. And in this dream, I was talking to a guy who, he was older than me, and I could feel from him he was sort of like a fatherly type person. And he just stopped me as I was walking, and I was just doing things, and I was going up some stairs to go take care of some things. And he stopped me and he said, "Are you happy?" And I was about to just give him an answer like, "Oh, yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. And as soon as I opened my mouth to say it, I just started weeping. And I woke up from that dream and I was like, wow, Lord. You get so caught up in life and things that you do. And, you do things that you enjoy. Oh, yeah. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy playing basketball. I enjoy, writing music and things like that. But there's not that lasting joy that underlies everything that you do. And so ever since then, I have been like really looking for, how to connect to joy in what I'm doing. Even if it's things that I don't like to do. How do I move into this with an expectation? Move into this with joy? Like how do I not get, like Chuck was saying, bogged down in the dread of, with dread and all that? Because I seriously related to Chuck in that. I'm sure Robin can probably tell you stories how dread has kind of been an underlying theme in my life, and so after this dream, I've just been like, okay, how do I connect to the joy in this? How do I walk in joy? How do I look to the future with an expectation of hope, an expectation that the Lord is going to, He's there. He's already ahead of me. How do I walk into that with joy that creates a happiness in me? So we know, oh God, You're the God who creates joy in our lives. If we connect to the hope that is Your glory, Lord, and You fill our expectation with Your breath, and You place us in a place where we can dwell with the joy of everlasting hope in you. For you will do all that you said you'll do. And my life will now reflect your holy grace. And I'm ever seeking after your holy face. Yeah, the Lord will breathe new life into my land as I worship him and take my righteous stand, knowing you'll do what you say, and the Lord will rise with healing, healing, healing in his wings. To the God of restoration we now sing. To the God of restoration we now. You will restore the joy. To the God of restoration we now sing. You remove the veil from our eyes. To the God of restoration we now sing. You wash away the dread, oh God. To the God of restoration we now sing. You show us we can trust you now. To the God of restoration we now sing. You are our everlasting hope. To the God of restoration we now sing.